Hi friends, this is Chris from Josephine's Designs. I'm back today with a Happy Mail haul. We're in the throes of tax season right now and estate work, so I'm going to have a few hauls here and there. And for a little bit of time, I'm doing a little bit of planning, but I literally, as quickly as I plan something, it all changes right now due to kind of the emergent lifestyle we're living right now with, some clients need things immediately, some don't, and it just depends on who calls and, asks the most right now, it seems like. So, which is totally fine. I mean, that's totally fine. But it's kind of hard to plan around that for work. But we're learning, we're getting it done. So, this particular kit came from scrapbook.com. I was just like, where did it come from? So, I am going to show you all my goodies. So I said I was on a low or no spend this year, and it really has been low or no spend until the last week or so. Once we get through with tax season, I need a job. And it's not like, I'm going to be doing my Stampin' Up! And doing my creative memories and all those good things, but I've been trying to figure out what it is that I would enjoy. And I think for a season, I'm just going to go back to album making. And I ordered some new of the heavier steel cut, wood plate dies and all of that. And so I'm really excited. I'm hoping by summer to be back and be able to have some notebooks done. So, yeah. But anyways, long story short, hey, can I trouble you for some more iced tea? And can you stick that in the fridge? I let it go too long and now it's hot. Thank you, baby. And baby, maybe give that a little bit of a rinse off. Yeah, thanks, baby doll. All right, sorry. My youngest came in from outside, and we're literally, I have 3 phones when I go anywhere, and I end up with lots of calls. So anyways, and there's a reason for why they're all so different. But anyways, so back to, I did see this. And as many of y'all know, I love llamas, and this just totally floated my boat. This is the Mama Llama by Simple Stories. I love Simple Stories. This is their kit. So in here are just extra pages that go with the kit, and then of course the stickers. But I'm going to go through this really quick so you guys can see it all. But I love Simple Stories. I mean, I just always have. The minute I found them, they're affordable, and they're really just kind of right up my alley. So anyway, so here's all the different papers, but we'll get through it. Let's see here. Oh, love that. So you get 2 pages of the llama, and on the other side it's the banners, and I ordered several of these extra. Hold on. Just gonna make my stack. And then, oh, look at this. This reminds me of like the Mexican blankets that we get from Mexico to Mexico. And then, oh, that's cute. Kind of confetti on brown. I love the colors of this, by the way. And I absolutely adore these little journaling cards. I thought these were so cute. Out of all the mamas in the world, I'm so glad you're mine. No prob llama. Yeah, no prob llama. That's so cute. Sorry. I got it from my mama. Thanks, Mom. I turned out awesome. Mama Llama, happy Mother's Day. Save the drama for your mama. So cute. So on the back of those, oh, these are so pretty. I love these. Okay, yes, I have quilted. Over the years, I'm a quilter. Okay, so this, I love all the stickers. You saw it, I ordered an extra one of these. And of course, I love the Socorro cactus and all the goodies and the flowers, and so cute. Happy Mama's Day. Stuck on you. No problema. It's your day. I love you lots. You're awesome. I got it from my mama. Best mama ever. Thanks, Mom. I love my mama. Save the drama for your llama. Llama's Day. That's funny. So super, super, super cute. Yeah, I absolutely love this kit. It's not a huge kit, it's pretty small, but that's okay. Now, I did order a few other extra goodies in here, so excuse the noise of the wrapper. I apologize, the bag, but, okay. So, anybody who hasn't been to scrapper.com, they have the most affordable stickers ever, and especially in their clearance. So, My husband raises chickens, so I thought that one was totally appropriate. And of course, I love my birds. You can see, surprised my birds aren't making noise. And I love all these cute, like Action Hero. This is Justice League, so cute. And then I love my mermaids because it's coming to be summer and we're going to go to the ocean hopefully. And glamping is camping in style. I was talking to my sister the other day, and in a town over, I went over to meet a friend. They had a whole bunch of women, like little cute small campers. They were all parked at the local grocery store, and I was driving through it just to get to Starbucks real quick before I drove back home. And they were the cutest women's campers ever. I thought that was just so charming. So I think that's really cute. And of course, Happy Hanukkah. Whenever you can find Hanukkah stickers, I always buy them. And of course, Christian. And I thought these were so beautiful. And so you can't have Hanukkah without celebrating Christmas, at least for, Messianic Jewish. And then here's some darling, darling, darling farm. I love that. My husband would love to have that barn. We have a barn, but it's not like that kind of barn. And that is the kind of barn he would love to have. So, and then here's some Girl Boss for planner stickers. And I think the most of these stickers were like $1.99. They were not expensive. So, I can't wait to plan with those. I will use those in my planner. And then look at these. There's the three, gosh, I lie. There's more than three. Oh my goodness. Look at all the letters. Oh, and the borders. So cute. Very, 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 very. Thank you, sweetie. Very cute. Hold on, guys. Thank you, baby doll. I had to take a sip of my tea. So, alright, guys. That's it for this haul. Again, scrapbooking.com. If you don't go over there and look. They are phenomenal. Their sales section is the best deal in town, and I just absolutely love the quality of what they offer. So, alright, well, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, we'd love to have you join in with us. We'd love to encourage you. And I am so appreciating everybody's kind words, and thank you guys. I appreciate it. You do not know. I got an email today, and excuse me, it is a journey when you lose some very important people in your life in less than 5 months of each other. And so it is a journey, and there are days that are just fine. We get through it, no problem. And then there's times where I look at my watch and go, 3 o'clock, this is the time I would call him. And, or, 10:30, this is when I would call and check on her. And so these are the times throughout the day that I glance at my watch or glance at the clock, and I remember what that was. And so it's just transitioning. It's as each season hits, I'm sure there are going to be special memories. Easter was special, and excuse me, I had to get another sip of tea. And I'm sure every holiday is going to be, there's just going to be a loss. And especially Christmas this year, I think it's going to be really hard. But we're learning. And that's kind of what I was sharing back in the email with this incredibly sweet gal who's been helping us. And, I just told her, I said, if we don't learn in this journey, then the journey wasn't worth doing. And so in order to honor those that we've lost, we must press on and do the best we possibly can. And it's okay every now and then to stop and reminisce. Hold on one sec. I'm so sorry. I ate something with peanuts, and they're caught in my throat. That's why I was getting the iced tea. Let me get another sip here. Anyway, so things like this, memory keeping, things like this are important to me, and I will be spending this next year working on that, and going back to some of my roots and making mini albums. And I'll let you guys know when those things are coming, and I'll probably do some tutorials for y'all, but these will just go in my Etsy shop. But I am doing better. I got another email from another sweet friend out there, and she asked how things were going. And yes, it's crazy busy. It's crazy busy right now. So this is my respite. I'm waiting for calls in between, so I decided I would just get this done very quickly if I could. And thank you guys for hanging in there with me, coming back and visiting, and coming in and not only encouraging me, but encouraging each other. And that's what this channel is all about. You know, that's it. There is joy in the worst of journeys. And for me, I keep my eyes fixed on the Lord, or at least I try to. And I focus on that verse, Colossians 3:2. And I really just try to see the glass as half full. And there's a lot of little quotes in there and cliches, but I would just honestly say there is wisdom in some of those things that I'm talking about. And yeah, so thank you guys again and again. Come join in, be a part of our group. We're small, but we're mighty. But let us encourage you. And most importantly, I hope that your day is blessed and creative and so very lovely. I drove by on the way home from the post office and saw all the gorgeous bluebonnets right now. And guys, I went by to see if I could see my llamas, and my youngest and I couldn't see the llamas. They were in the back of the pasture. So anyways, I just want you guys to know that no matter what, even on the hardest of times, there is joy in the journey. And I just pray that for each one of y'all. So, okay guys, I will be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.